Today, let's walk through how to complete your KYC on GHLindia.com. It's quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes. First, head over to GHLindia.com and log in using your registered email and password. Once you're in, you will see the KYC option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the page where you can fill in all your KYC details. Step 1. Nominee details. Here, fill in your nominee's name, email, address, and phone number. Then, answer the question, have you linked PAN and Aadhaar? By choosing yes or no. After that, click Next. Step 2. Bank details. Now fill in your bank details. Courier address, account holder namesake, IFSC code, account number, branch name. Then click Next again. Step 3. Upload documents. This part is important. Upload your PAN card. Upload your Aadhaar card both front and back as address proof. Upload bank account proof. This could be a cancelled check, e-statement, or passbook front page. Finally, upload proof for your nominee, Aadhaar card chain, driving license, or passport net. After everything is uploaded, confirm your details and click Submit. And that's it, your KYC is now submitted. You'll get a notification once your KYC is approved, and you can check the status anytime by logging in with your email and password. It's that simple. Follow these steps and you are all set.